Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyas Ias Academy. So on June 11th, English medium UPSC 2026 to 2027 batch for UPSC CSAT examination is going to start. The demo videos with regard to all of that is available on the playlist on the YouTube channel. You can watch it and you can call to the number given below so that you can get the details about that particular course. So today we'll be starting a very important discussion, and it is going to be one of the important topic for the prelims and also for the mains examination and also for various other state PSCs. So here we are talking about hung assembly, and we'll also talk about some important comments made by the political leaders with regard to why the Thalapathy Vijay has not been appointed as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, even though he has secured the people's mandate. That is also true. He got 108 seats. The single largest party at this point of time in Tamil Nadu is TVK. Okay, leadership is with Thalapathy Vijay, the popular pan-India star, you can say, not just the Tamil Nadu. He has done something which is very hardly everyone has done. It was in Telangana, or you can say that in Telugu states, we had the N.T. Ramarao. So he was the charismatic what I say is that actor, and a very flourished and very experienced actor, and who made his mark in the political scenario or political landscape of these Telugu states. And after that, you did not see any of the popular actors to go to that level of what? Political leadership, right or wrong? Yes. It was tried by Chiranjeevi, he did not make it happen. It was tried by Vijay Shanti, it was not happened. Obviously, it happened with Pawan Kalyan because of the alliances, but not by himself. It was tried by Ritesh Deshmukh in Maharashtra. Again, he did not make it happen. Okay. It was tried by many of the actors and actresses to make big themselves in the political landscape of their respective states, but they did not able to do it. Right or wrong? Yes. But Thalapathy Vijay has got a unique place in the Bollywood, Tollywood or Tamilwood, whatever wood it is, in this entertainment fraternity. He definitely has made a mark. Okay, and he has proved that he is not only popular among the masses, and the people expect him that he will also deliver for the governance of the state in a very amicable and very excellent manner. Okay, that's why the people's mandate is very simple, making him the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. So at this point of time, I am recording this video on 10th of May and 9th of May, and we have already known about this fact that still in Tamil Nadu, the Chief Minister is not there. The Assembly is in dissolved state, and that particular situation of the Assembly in the dissolved state, we call it as hung assembly. We call it as what? Hung assembly. So on the basis of that, we are going to see two important questions one by one. So please pause the video and write in the comment section. Okay, what is your answer on this? Okay. A party, what defines a hung assembly in the political landscape? What defines? There are four options are there here, very beautifully given by this particular paper. Always remember, you can go to Deccan Chronicle, they will give this kind of quizzes, breaking quizzes and newspaper, latest news quizzes, which may help you to also evaluate yourself how better you are. What defines a hung assembly in the Indian political context? What is the meaning of it? The first option is a party wins a landslide majority on its own. Landslide majority on its own. That is what we are having. So let us see two important questions on this particular topic, that is hung assembly. The first one here is, what defines a hung assembly in the Indian political context? What defines it? The first option that you are having, option number A party wins a landslide majority. The moment you say majority, you have to eliminate this, because whenever majority comes, it will never be a hung assembly. It is a new assembly has also been there. That's all. Then the second one here is, all parties forms a government automatically without elections. All parties forms a government automatically without elections. Without elections, If a party is forming the government, that is very unconstitutional. That is not at all related to hung assembly. So we cannot, the statement itself is out of context. The third one, the no single party or pre-poll alliance secures a majority of the seats. Okay, no single party or pre-poll alliance secures a majority of the seats in the state assembly. Fourth option we are having is the assembly is dissolved before votes. Okay, before voting it should be there. Obviously, assembly will be in the dissolved state only, in the hung state only when the voting does not happen, right or wrong. When the voting should happen and the elections should take place and one party should get the majority. See, in all of these, the most relevant and the perfect answer for all of this is no single party like Talapati Vijay party has not got 118 seats. He got only 108. No single party has got majority seats, that is properly written. Plus, Talapati Vijay does not have any pre-poll alliance also. Okay, he does not have any pre-poll alliance. He did not have alliance with Congress, DMK or Anna DMK. He did not have any pre-poll alliance also. So because of that, no pre-poll alliance majority mark is there. Single largest party also does not have the halfway mark, like 50% plus 1 seats are not there. That's why in this scenario only, you will call the assembly as hung assembly. Okay, clear? Okay. This is also very important. Why has the term hung assembly has discussed more in 2026? Why? First one, there was no change in party alliances. The second important question here is there is a trend towards smooth single party majorities. Third one, multi-parties contesting the elections, alliances are shifting and fragmented mandates are there. Fourth one, exit poll predicts a clear winner in all state. Whenever exit poll predicts a clear winner, just like in BJP, so they will never talk about what? Hung assembly. Because one party is definitely going to secure the majority seats, it is understood. It is like exit poll predicts a clear winner. Means why we will talk about the hung assembly regarding that. Go on. Now there was no change in party alliances. If there was no change in the party alliances, means what will happen? Obviously the majority is there. That's why the parties are able to form the government. There is a trend towards smooth single party majorities. There is no state which is not having alliances. Majority of the states are running on what alliances? In Maharashtra, you can see in Kerala, UDF and Congress is there. In Tamil Nadu, Talapati Vijay has to merge with 3-4 small parties. Okay. In Maharashtra, Shiv Sena, NCP, BJP is there. Right or wrong? In Bihar, BJP plus JDU is there. Right or wrong? So there is nothing like one party is there which is singly one. Okay. In Telangana also Congress plus MIM is there. In andhrapradesh TDP, Jan Sena and also Janasena and also BJP is there. So you can understand the point here. So single party majorities we are not having. The most perfect answer for this is multi-parties are contesting the elections. One party is going with another party later on, no, we will not support you, like that is there. So party alliances are shifting. Just like Congress has now said that, okay, we will back TVK, Vijay Talapati's party, but we will not be with what? DMK, like that. So they break their alliance. Okay, on the news channels, it has been shown that they have got away from the alliance of DMK. So multi-parties are contesting, alliances are shifting, fragmented mandates are there. Fragmented is nothing but, okay, one party is getting some seats, another party is getting some seats, another party is getting some seats, so, but no party is getting the majority seats. So people's opinion is very, very fragmented. So when this kind of fragmented opinions, fragmented mandates comes, then the situation of hung assembly may arise. So the third is a perfect answer for this. I hope this is all clear to you. So we have understood that why this is happening. So properly you can see here, what is a hung assembly? A hung assembly occurs when no single political party or no pre-poll alliance secures the minimum number of seats. Minimum is nothing but 50% to form a majority government. Every government have to be in majority, means the number of seats won by that particular party should be more than 50% plus 1. Then only we call it as majority government. In our country or in our constitution, there is no concept of minority government is not there. You cannot run, even though you got 108 seats, Mr. Thalapathy Vijay, you are still in majority. You are still in minority. Because you did not get the half of the seats that need to run a government. That is our constitutional mandate also. Getting my point here. A hung assembly occurs when no single political party or pre-poll alliance secures the minimum number of seats in order to form a majority. Minimum number of seats is what? Half seats you should get. Okay. So now what will happen? Why hung assemblies are being discussed? Why hung assemblies are being discussed? Why? Because in our country, in India, multi-parties contest elections and new entrants will start influencing the voters. That's why the votes gets what? Divided and distributed. Okay. Alliance complexities are there and internal conflicts. Internal conflicts within the party is basically, in our electoral terminology, we call it as incumbency. Incumbency is that in Lopala, inside you are not happy with the party leadership, you are not happy how the party is functioning, but still you are there with that. So the dissent within the party, if it is there with many members, so that is called as incumbency. Aggressive campaigns are there, narratives are running across states. So these are some of the factors which have been given leading to what? Vote fragmentation. When vote is fragmented among various different political parties, then obviously no party will secure the majority. You have to make alliance only. Right or wrong? Fine. Now what happens if there is a hung assembly is there? If no party wins, just like in Thalapathy Vijay case, he did not get the majority votes. Majority seats he did not get. Okay. What is the governor role? Governor invites the party to form the government. The governor typically what it does, whatever the largest party is there, Thalapathy Vijay party, governor invites. Okay, you come in the assembly and give the floor test. If anybody supports you, then I will make you to form the government. So government generally invites the largest party to come to power or give the floor test. Or governor can say that pre-poll or post-poll alliances claiming majority supports. Thalapathy Vijay does not have a pre-poll alliance. Post-poll, many parties are converging with what? Thalapathy Vijay. That is also fine. All of you come together and make a party, show me the majority, that is also fine. Okay. If all the parties come together and form the government, we call such governments are coalition formation. Okay. Parties may form post-poll alliance also in our country, that is allowed according to the constitution. Offer outside support to another party. We will not merge with your party, not merge exactly, we will not directly get involved into administration of the political party. We don't want your ministership, we don't want what I say is that we don't want any kind of privileges when you come to power. We will just support you from the outside. It was also happened in 2011 when Congress, Mamata Banerjee came out of the Congress government and said that we will let the government to function, we will support it from outside, like that Mamata Banerjee told at that time. That is called supporting from outside. Okay, clear? Now, floor test should be given in the assembly. Another important is that the largest party leader will be asked to give the floor test. If no government is possible, there is no chance of a government to come to power. Further consultation may be attempted so that a stable government may form. As a last resort, nothing is happening. If Thalapathy Vijay is not able to convince the other parties to join him, and the assembly always is in the hung state, and he is not able to get the numbers, then obviously president rule will be there till a new government or new majority party will be formed. I hope every other detail of this hung assembly in detail I have given to you. Have a nice day. Take care. If any queries you are having, write in the comment section. I will reply to that.